Hi, we're talking about equations today. Right, equations come in maybe 3 different types. First one's like this, where you've got a missing number, basically called x. In the exams it's going to be x all the time. So if we have x plus 7 equals 12, that means something plus 7 equals 12. It's like saying, what's the number underneath that blob? Something plus 7 is 12, that number must be 5. That's the answer. Try this one. Right, something plus 6 is 17, that's what that means, so that something must be 11. 11 goes in there to make that true. 11 plus 6 is 17, so there we are. Right, try these yourselves. Pause the video and try these yourselves. There are your answers. Check the ones you've done against these answers of mine. This next set of examples is slightly different, because sometimes you've got more than one x. So x plus 3 is 11. Now, the way we deal with this is we put them together. So we've got 2 lots of x. We don't have to write 2 lots of x. It means the same as 2 times x, x twice, x times 2. So we can write it, the way we do it in maths is we put the numbers and the letters together. Numbers first, then letters, so we call it 2x. 2x plus 3 equals 11. Now each x is the same thing. So if we blot out that 2x again, pretend that's not there, so something plus 3 is 11. That means that 2x, if we put a number in the place of it, 2x equals 8, because if 8 goes there, 8 plus 3 is 11, makes that true. So 2x equals 8, so that means that we've got an x, and together they make 8. That means that each one must be half of 8, so x equals 4. We don't have to do all these steps. We can just go straight to, because the question won't look like this, so we can go straight from something like 3x plus 4 equals 19. Something plus 4 is 19, so that something must be 15. Now if that's the case, x plus x plus x, or 3 lots of x, 3 lots of something make 15. If we think about our times table, 3 lots of 5 is 15. So x is worth 5. Try these questions yourselves. Pause the video now, do them yourselves, and start it again to see the answers. There we are. See if your answers match mine. Now the last examples are much more difficult when we've got x terms and numbers on both sides. So we've got something like this. 6x plus 4 equals 3x plus 16. Now the best way to do it is to compare the 6x, this thing here, and the 3x. These are both x terms. Which one is bigger and by how much? Well, this 6x is bigger by 3, so there's 3x more on this side. If we compare the numbers, the 4 and the 16, which one's bigger? Well, the 16 is bigger. By how much? It's bigger by 12. So there's a 12 more, surplus of 12 on that side. So that the more on this side must be the same as the more on that side. So 3x must be equal to 12. And if that's the case, 3 lots of something make 12. That must be 4. Let's give you another example. 5x plus 2 equals 3x plus 18. Now looking at the x terms, 5x and 3x, this 5x is 2 more than 3x. So there's 2x more on that side. And numbers wise, looking at the 2 and the 18, there's 16 more here. So that must be worth 16. So if 2 lots of something is 16, it's like dividing by 2. Divide by this number. We could have done it here. We could have said 12 divided by 3, which makes 4. That gives us our answer. Do the same thing here. 16 divided by 2 gives us 8. Try these questions yourselves. Pause the video and you can check the answers in a minute. There are the answers to those 3 questions.